Okay, this is a top tip. How to store your gloves, how to store your microfiber cloths, and what to do with your old Pringle Pops. Start off with hot and spicy barbecue rib flavour Pringles. It's a smaller pot than the standard one. Remove the tinfoil, discard that to one side, but keep it because when you want to mix super glue and paint, it's a really good cheap substitute for epoxy resin. Anyway, get your spray cans out. This is me spraying primer. Only got to do the sides because obviously there's nothing at the top and it's silver at the bottom. Job done. Right. For some reason we only had one glove. Next, spray however you like, but I'm doing this one black because I'm going to put black gloves in there. I'm going to do one that's slightly blue and one that's slightly green. The green one is going to have green microfibers. Here we go. Bit of red, bit of silver, bit of white, bit of orange, and then this fluorescent yellow, which I've perfected the art of how to drip the spray paint on, which is marvellous. Take your gloves off, go and tidy up, put everything back, and then wait for the paint to dry, ready for tomorrow. Lovely. Right, tomorrow. Cut a hole, like a mouth, use a sharp knife, and then just fill it with the stuff that you want to fill it with. In this case, is the black tub. We're putting black Temu latex gloves in it, making a right mess of it as well. And this is how you would get them out. You pull them out the hole. It's that simple. Don't know why I showed you that. Green cloths, they'll go in the one that's slightly green, not green enough. So what we'll do is we'll get the fluorescent green paint back out again, spray that off, and we stuff the stuff. Is that a thing? Stuff the stuff? Oh, air compressor. Dry it out quickly. Job done. Chuck the cloths in the top. Put the lid on. Job's a good one. Park that to one side. The last one is miscellaneous. They're old rags for wiping off varnish and the such like. Just stuff them in the bottom. There's a bit of blue on the front there, look. So what we'll do is we'll stuff the blue one at the bottom. That's a tea towel there. Just stuff those in any old how. Now I've actually mounted these to my frames, but you can do what you like.
Lovely. Hope you've enjoyed. See you again.